Here are 5 ways to focus on your studies for longer hours. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So recently I've been getting a lot of comments that तुम लोग concentrate नहीं कर पा रहे हो या लंबे समय के लिए पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हो because you feel very tired and distracted. Studies have shown that students who are able to concentrate on their studies for longer hours find it easier to score higher marks in their exams. Now if you've tried all the ways to study better and have not been successful, I'm here to help you out by sharing 5 tips which will help you to focus on your studies. So if you're excited, give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. सबसे पहले the essential thing that you need to think about is why are you losing focus and what can you actually do about it. तो mostly हर student का distraction एक ही चीज होता है, that is your phone. तुम्हें अपना phone कम से कम 10 किलोमीटर दूर रखना होता है अपने से. Hide it under the bed या notifications off कर दो. Give it to your mom, you'll never get it back then. और otherwise काफी लोगों का distraction होता है कि पीछे से आवाज आ रही है या टीवी की आवाज आ रही है. तो make sure that when you are studying तुम्हारे घर में सारे टीवी बंद हो. Similarly, there could be a lot of other reasons. You have to find them out for yourself and think of ways to deal with it. Maybe find a quieter place to study or study at a fixed spot depending on your concern. अब अगर इसके बाद भी you have identified your distractions but it's still not helping you, you have to find out a specific time of the day that is the most suitable for you and your studies. अब काफी लोग पूरा दिन पढ़ते नहीं है, फिर शाम को या रात को याद आता है कि अच्छा यार हमें तो पढ़ना चाहिए था, हमारे तो एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं. But the whole problem with studying so late is that your energy levels start dropping and then obviously it's more difficult for your brain to concentrate on your studies क्योंकि तुम already थक गए हो. इसलिए the most effective way here is to always study in the morning or in the afternoon because that's when your energy levels are high and you will be more motivated and energized to focus on your studies. And obviously depending on the time you wake up, your energy levels are the highest. इसलिए usually काफी लोग सुबह जल्दी उठ के पढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं because you know you have a fresh mind and since तुम्हारे एग्जाम्स भी सुबह के टाइम में ही होते हैं, it's always a good idea to keep your brain awake in the morning so that एग्जाम के टाइम पे भी you will be able to concentrate on the exam and actually think of answers. Now another way you can increase your attention span and concentration is by solving sample papers. Now if you have watched my previous videos, you know कि the most important thing of your exam preparation is practicing sample papers. To make sure that तुम sample paper 1.5 hour में बैठ के कर रहे हो, इससे automatically your concentration has to be there for that 1.5 hour क्योंकि तुम्हें अपना sample paper complete करना है. Now to practice sample papers, I want to let you know about Oswal Gurukul's CBSE Class 12 sample question papers for the subject of maths for the 2021 exam that's coming up. So I have talked about their books before and heard good feedback from you guys as well. I wanted to share it again with all of you guys because practicing these sample papers will definitely be very helpful for your board exams. And as you guys know, for maths especially, practice is the key to success and this book will give you extensive practice for maths and also improve your problem solving skills. This book covers the entire syllabus of term 1 and is strictly according to the rationalized syllabus given by CBSE. This book contains questions based on the latest sample question paper pattern and includes MCQs of the most recent typology of questions, that is standalone MCQs, case-based MCQs as well as assertion reason MCQs. This also includes the latest sample paper that was released by CBSE in September and gives you in-depth practice of maths, which is exactly what you need. It also has detailed expert solutions so that you can understand the concepts better and all your doubts will be clarified. This book also has OMR sheets so that you get a feel of your board exams. Along with the maths book, I think it's a great idea to purchase their 36 sample question paper book for all the other subjects. This one here is for the commerce stream and it includes English, physical education, accounts, business studies and economics. So all of the subjects are available in just one book. So you don't need to purchase 10 different books for each subject, which I think is pretty amazing. So I definitely think that you guys should get your hands on these books so that you can get the utmost practice for your board exams and also get a 40 on 40. So what are you guys waiting for? The link is in the description. Definitely check it out and I would love to hear your feedback of these books in the comment section. If you practice a sample paper every single day, I'm sure तुम्हारा concentration will increase day by day. Now the next strategy to study for longer hours, which I believe is the most effective strategy that I have also used throughout the year for studying, is using a timer. Because when you see that timer going off right in front of you, पता नहीं अपने आप ही एक सडन बूस्ट ऑफ मोटिवेशन एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आता है दैट यू फोकस ऑन योर स्टडी सो वेल ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. मतलब तुम चाहे 1 घंटे का ही लगा रहे हो टाइमर, बट यू विल हैव द मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव स्टडी सेशन इन दैट 1 hour. एंड टाइमर यूज करने की वजह से यू डोंट इवन गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड टू अदर थिंग्स बिकॉज यू आर सो फोकस्ड इन कंप्लीटिंग वट एवर यू आर स्टडिंग इन दैट फिक्स्ड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. अगर तुम बिजनेस स्टडीज का कोई भी चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हो एंड आई एम अज्यूमिंग तुम्हें 1.5 hour लगेगा पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ने और समझने में, पुट दैट 1.5 hour का टाइमर राइट देयर एंड आई अश्योर यू 1.5 hour में तुम्हारा पूरा चैप्टर आराम से हो जाएगा. नाउ लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इट्स क्रूशियल टू थिंक पॉजिटिवली अबाउट व्हाट यू आर स्टडिंग. मतलब हम में से आधे लोग तो यही सोच के पढ़ाई करते हैं कि अरे यार पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं. बट इंस्टेड इफ यू अप्रोच ईच सब्जेक्ट विद अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड एंड माइंडसेट, तुम्हारी पढ़ाई बहुत बेटर होगी. ऑलवेज स्टार्ट बाय टेलिंग योरसेल्फ कि यस आई एम गोइंग टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू टुडे एंड हाउ गुड you will be at it after you've mastered the entire topic. तो इससे your mind will automatically be more focused on studying the new concept or topic instead of getting bored or distracted. मतलब अगर पहले से ही तुम्हारा mindset इतना negative होगा कि बहुत मुश्किल है यार, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, you will never be able to get through your studies. But rather if you think कि हाँ मैं 1 घंटे में ये पूरा चैप्टर कर लूंगी या मैं आधे घंटे में ये पूरी मैथ्स की एक्सरसाइज खत्म कर लूंगी, you will be more likely to get your work done early. उसके बाद you can chill and relax. Now to all of you who've made it till here, comment these emojis and let me share a bonus tip with you guys. I have mentioned it before, but I think it's really important for you to take regular breaks, and especially when you've been studying for more than an hour, it's a great idea to take a small little break, to not go on your phone and scroll through Instagram, but instead just walk around the house, go in your balcony, take in some fresh air, because this will refresh your mind and give you energy to study. And obviously when you come back with a refreshed mind, you will be able to memorize everything better and focus on your studies. So yeah, these are all the tips I have for you guys, and I'm sure if you incorporate each of them one at a time, you will be able to study for much longer hours and concentrate better on your studies. If there's anything you think that I have missed out, or if there's some other strategy that works for you, definitely comment that down below. That way you can help each other out as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Let me know what other videos you want to see on my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.